Hey everyone, John and Care here. We wanted to kind of show you the new Samsung Frame TV because I know there's not enough information out there about it, and we ourselves were wondering if it lives up to the hype, if it's everything it's promised, and I mean, spoiler alert, it is. I think there's a lot of pros about it. We'll do a more detailed review with the functionality if we get around to it, but I really wanted to put this out there to show you guys the quality of that matte finish, which is the single most exciting thing about this product release for this year. It was rolled out at CES, and they talked about how it was going to have a matte finish that was not going to be reflective, that was not going to have a glare, and man, they really lived up to it. So this might get a little repetitive, but I want you guys to be able to see this from multiple angles. I'm going to take some shots from the couch, some going right up to the screen so that you can see the level of detail you're able to see. This is in a very, very well lit room. There's windows surrounding this room. And I mean, we were really concerned about glare in this area, but there has been no issue with glare, and you can see the level of detail. I mean, I'm getting right up to her face, and it's showing beautifully. On the oil paintings, you can see every brush stroke, you can see the canvas behind it, and most importantly, if you'll notice, there's no glare, of course, but you'll also notice that you see no reflection. John and I are both standing right here, and you're not able to see it. So then we turned on all the lights inside as well, the overhead lights, as well as this really bright chandelier at the brightest level, and you can see still nothing. This is a different piece of artwork, and it's performing flawlessly. Please excuse the unfinished nature of this house. It is under construction and being renovated. So you can see there's going to be a fireplace beneath the TV. But really this should show you kind of what the view will look like from at least where the couch is right now. It's pretty flawless. I mean, if you're sitting on the couch and you have all the lights on, all the windows open, all of the sun coming through, you're not going to have an issue with being able to view this screen, which is an amazing, amazing thing to have, because every other TV on the market, even if it's got better specs, it's not going to be able to deliver that to you. So if you're in a room like this, that you can see all the windows, all the doors, all the light coming through, all the lights being turned on, it's not a problem at all. Still looks like a beautiful piece of artwork on the wall, which is essentially what you get the Frame TV for. This, I'm going to show you how effortlessly it goes from picture to TV to back. This is the menu. Again, not here to show a lot of the functionality of the TV. I don't even know how to review a TV really. I don't think it's very intuitive, to be perfectly honest with you. The menu took a little getting used to, but really I want to talk more about the art mode here a little bit. You can see where you've got the ability to choose between different art. And it just changes flawlessly. And then you'll also see that when I turn on the TV will be pretty bright, but then when I flip it back to art mode, it's going to be bright for a moment, and then the screen will automatically adjust for the room that it's in. So you can see this is beautifully adjusted for this room. It looks like a piece of art. It looks like a picture right on the wall. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and turn it off. Oh, sorry, it's brand new. We've never had a frame before, so we're still figuring it out, right? So this is the TV. Beautiful picture. It's very bright. Magnificent home ever created. And I turn it off. It's bright for a moment, and then you can kind of very subtly see it shift to be the perfect brightness to make this look like a picture. So overall, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful device. I think it's an exciting time to be alive with all this technology. And gosh, I can't recommend this product enough because it is just mind-blowing. I don't think any camera that I own, much less an iPhone camera, is going to be able to do it justice, but you could see, I mean, you could see like the 3D of the mat here. You can see it looks like a picture. It's getting a little grainy with this camera, but you can see like the brush strokes. You can see right here a little bit the canvas. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you can see the canvas right behind it. I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful TV. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more detailed reviews out there that are way better than mine. But John's laughing. But you know, I wanted to get this out there because if you're thinking about shopping for it, Samsung is offering a free installation, which we took advantage of. And there's some specials on the website that you can go check out. We don't like have an affiliate code or anything, or we'd share it. This is just to share the info out there with you if you are thinking about buying it. If you can, I would say go ahead and get it. And if you've been waiting like we did to see what this new release would look like, I can 100% say that it was worth it.